Okay, so now we look at integrations. With integrations in Aliveforms, we can integrate our form with third-party service. For example, Google Sheet, Zapier, Drive, Gmail, MailChimp, etc. And in this tutorial, we are going to integrate Google Sheet. So first, open your form where you want to apply the sheet. Then you can go to menu, and from here go to integration section. And if you have already created your integration, you can select and apply, but here we are going to create a new integration and apply. Or you can open dashboard while you are in form editor. You can open dashboard and click on this integration creation icon. It will create and also apply the integration. From a platform, we are going to select Google Sheets and click next and give it a title. So it can be, so once your Google Sheet integration is ready, this screen will be presented. From here, first we need to set up the connection. The connection is a mean to authenticate your integration. So again, if we already have a connection created, we can select the connection, or we can create a new connection here. So create new connection, select the platform, and here, since it is a Google one, so click on Google and give it a title. This connection can be reused again and again in other Google integration. So make sure that you name it such that you can find it later. So give it a name and click on create connection. It will open connection editor. Now Google connection, those can be authenticated using OAuth or service account. For service account, you need to set up a project in Google Console and then get credentials.json file and upload that. And also then you need to enter the client email, and the sheet you create, you need to share. So here we are going with OAuth. And for OAuth, we need to select the apps. So we can select all apps or just the app we require, because as I said, we can reuse our connection since Aliveforms has modular structure. So here I'm going to select Google Sheets only, and then click on sign in with Google and authenticate it. So select the account and click continue. Okay, so once your account is authenticated, go back to our form and click on load button to load connections. If you don't see the connection in the list, select the connection. Now the mode, we can read and both write the data from our Google Sheet. For this tutorial, we are going to use only write mode. Then click on load to load the list of sheets. It will list only the sheets those are created using Aliveforms Studio. But you can create a new spreadsheet, or you can paste the ID of existing sheet here. For this tutorial, first we are going to select a new sheet and give it a title. So this is creating your Google Sheet, and from your list, select the sheet, and you can open the sheet here. Okay, so next is the sheet name. Click on load button to load the sheets list, and from here select the sheet where you want to insert the data and click on this save icon here. And that's all, our sheet integration is ready. and we can use this integration with multiple forms, for example this one or any other form. So if now I first arrange the screens, now if I open the form and fill it, I write some data and options, and I submit the form. This data is inserted into Google Sheet in real time. So this is how we get our data in Google Sheet. And since I said it is a modular structure, let's say I open this form, that contact us form. So here if I go to menu, integration, and I select this integration and I click apply, I can use that integration in this form too. And here, so again this data is inserted in this sheet in real time. So if there is a sheet that is created outside Aliveforms, for example this sheet is not created using Aliveforms, so what we can do here is copy this section, that is the ID that is between D and edit. Copy this and in your integration editor. Now to quickly access the integration, I can use quick access panel. So open the panel and from here go to integrations tab and here edit the integration, and here load the sheets, and I can remove it and paste it, enter, and I can save the sheet. And now if I run this form again, now if I resubmit the form, that will insert the data in this sheet like this. That was the introduction of Google Sheet integration, and Aliveforms provides many other integrations. If you open Aliveforms docs and go to integrations section, you can read more about integrations and how to set up each individual integration from these docs. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.